student of class 9. Today I will teach you exercise 10b Pythagoras theorem. Question number 1. ABCD is square. ABCD is a square. So we have to prove AC square. To prove AC square equal to 2AB square. This proof or solution in square ABCD, AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DA, and we know very well that each angle interior angle of a square is 90 degree. So in right triangle ABC, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square, AB square, at the place of BC we can write AB squared, since AB equal to BC. Okay, then AC square equal to 2AB square. This only we have to prove. Okay, proved. AC square equal to 2AB square. Okay, this is the answer. Number 3. In quadrilateral ABCD, we have to prove AB square minus AD square equal to CD square minus CD square where angle D and angle B are right angle. Okay, so what to do here? We will join AC. So we will take two triangles. In right triangle ABC, AC square equal to AD square plus CD square. Okay, equation number 1. In a right triangle CBA, AC square equal to BC square is hypotenuse. Okay, hypotenuse square equal to BC square plus AB square. Equation number 2 minus 1. Equation from 1, equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, see AC square equal to this, AC square equal to this, so we will make equal the values. Okay, BC square plus AB square equal to AD square plus CD square. So AB square minus AD square equal to CD square minus BC square. See, this only we had to prove. This proved. Number 6. In triangle ABC, angle B is right angle and D is the midpoint of BC. Okay, then prove. To prove, first part, AC square equal to AD square plus 3CD square. Second part, BC square equal to 4 AD square minus AB square. So proof or solution. In right triangle ABC. AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square hypotenuse square equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay. Then BC square can be written. We have to prove this. A square plus AD equal to AD square plus 3CD square. Okay. Then AB square plus BC means C. We have to find BD to BD whole square. There is one more thing is they are given. We can write given. D is midpoint of BC. So we can write BD equal to CD equal to BC upon 2. Okay. So AB square plus 4BD square, it is AB square plus BD square plus 3BD square. It is AB square in right triangle. AB square plus BD square. AB square plus BD square can be written AD square. Okay. AD square plus 3BD equal to CD. We know CD square. Since we have to write, since AD square equal to, we know very well. So we can write at the place of AB square plus BD square, AD square. Okay. And we know BD equal to CD. Since BD equal to CD, BD equal to CD. So we can write at the place of BD, CD is now this first part proved. Okay. AC square equal to AD square plus 3CD square. Now second part. What is the second part? BC square equal to 4AD square minus 4A minus AB square. Okay. So second part. So we will take triangle ABD. In right triangle ABD, AD square equal to AB square plus BD square. Okay. So AD square, AB square is there, AD square is there. Okay. At the place of BD, we can write BC upon 2. Okay. At the place of BD, we can write BC upon 2. Okay. BC upon 2 whole square. So AD square equal to AB square plus BC square upon 4. Okay. Then AD square equal to 4AB square plus BC square upon 4. Okay. Like this we can write. Now 4AD square cross multiply equal to 4AB square plus BC square. So BC square equal to 4AD square minus 4AB square. 4 you take common, AD square minus AB square. 4 will take common. Okay. This is BC square equal to 4 bracket AD square minus AB square. This second part proved. Okay dear students. Yes, now question number 11. ABC is a triangle right angled at A. Okay. Right angled at A and P is the length of perpendicular. P is the length of perpendicular from A to BC. A to BC. Okay. Show that PA equal to prove. First part PA equal to BC. Second part we have to show 1 upon P square equal to 1 upon B square plus 1 upon c square. So proof in right triangle BAC area equal to area equal to half base into perpendicular, half base this perpendicular, this C into B, area of right triangle BAC. First again area of triangle BAC equal to half base into height, base into height, base A into height P. So both are same areas, both are same areas. So half BC equal to half AP, AP cancel, means BC equal to AP. Okay, we have to prove 1 upon P square equal to 1 upon B square plus 1 upon C square. So in right triangle BAC, hypotenuse square BC square equal to AB square plus AC square. Okay, BC square means A square equal to C square plus B square. So we can divide both sides by B square C square. Okay, so A square upon B square C square equal to C square plus B square upon B square C square. Okay, now A square, since dear student B square C square can be written BC equal to AP, so just we have proved. So B square C square equal to P square A square. This we can write separately, B square C square plus B square upon B square C square. This cancel, C square cancel, A square cancel. 1 upon P square equal to 1 upon B square plus 1 upon C square. Proved now.